In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide or do not display specific vehicles from your website. So I'm going to go into my inventory page on my website here, and I'm just going to want to take this vehicle and make it so that it doesn't display on my website. So I'm going to go back into my dashboard, Inventory Manager, Add Edit Vehicles. I'm going to find that vehicle that I want to take off my site, and I'm just going to go in and edit that vehicle. And right in the first category here, I'm going to make the vehicle status not for sale. And that's automatically going to exclude the vehicle from all exports as well. And then once I save my changes, you refresh this page, we'll see that vehicle is no longer on display on our website. And if we go back into our inventory, we still have the vehicle here, but it's going to be hidden from our website. And that's all for this tutorial.